All right, let's add numbers written in scientific notation with the same powers of 10. So notice here, these powers of 10 are the same. And when that's the case, all we need to do is use distributive property to multiply and add these together. So we're going to take our 3 and our 2.4, and we're going to add them together because they're being multiplied by the same power of 10. And of course, in distributive property, you know that we multiply, and we're going to multiply by this power of 7, 10 to the power of 7. Okay, all we need to do now is add what's in our parentheses, and we're going to get 5.4 times 10 to the power of 7. And because this is more than 1, or at least 1, and less than 10, this is already in scientific notation. Let's look at another one. These also have the same power of 10. So again, we're going to use distributive property to solve this. So we're going to take 7.2 plus 5.44, and we're going to multiply by 10 to the power of negative 6. Now, when we take these two numbers and add them together, we get 12.64 and 10 to the power of negative 6. Now notice here we have some alarm bells because this is more than 10, which means we need to turn it into a scientific notation in order to have it correctly written. So we're going to take this decimal, move it over here so that we have 1.264, and because we moved it one space, we're going to have 10 to the power of 1. Now our 10 to the power of negative 6 stays here. And now we just use our powers of product property down here, and we are left with 1.264 times 10 to the power of negative 5, because we added our exponents. 1 plus negative 6 is negative 5. So this is our answer.